Hey guys, Eamon here from Infrared Heating Ireland. So just back in a job here that we installed a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to show you just another example of where we're using our infrared panels. So this client had some rooms upstairs that so she had the whole central heating system was solid fuel on a back boiler, and all the rads were working off the back boiler, but she just found that the rads weren't working right upstairs. So before she jumped in to do the whole house, the client decided to do out some of the rooms first. So we're upstairs now in the house. So I'll just bring you room by room quickly and just give you an idea how they look installed. So this is a nice example here. We have the two panels on the ceiling. Because of the size of the room, one panel wouldn't have been powerful enough, so we put in the two panels. And then we move into the shower room here. So we have another panel here on the ceiling. Hope you can see that there. Yeah, we can remove that little sticker. And we go in here to a little walk-in wardrobe, and we have another panel here. Now, just to show you, we have our IR sun regulator here on the wall, and there's no wires visible or anything like that. So we have the controller here, and we have the panel on the ceiling, nice and neat and tidy. And then the last room, then we have out of here again, but you'll see so I suppose this is a nice example. Again, we'll just have a look at this. So the panel is 20 mil thick. These are two 750 watt heaters. So if they're on for a full hour and putting out maximum heat, they will use 1.5 units of electricity per hour. But that's not going to be the case because the panels are oversized for the room. So what will happen is, as the room heats, our IR sun regulator controller then will regulate the heat from the panel. So they could be running only 30% of the time, and that's when the efficiency kicks in on how they're running. And then the final room, well, the second last room was the bathroom here. So you can see here, room was quite big, so we went with a 750 watt heater here, and then because of the regs, we can't put the stat in the bathroom, so we put the stat here on the wall. So all in all, another happy client moving from, in this example, from solid fuel over to infrared heating. For more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie.